The Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya on Monday had welcomed its new members at a meeting that was held at the party office in Shillong. Present during the event was the National Secretary of the BJP, Rituraj Sinha, the National Vice President and in charge Meghalaya, Dr. M Chuba Ao, the Meghalaya State BJP President, Earnest Mawrie, BJP MLA from Pynthorumkhrah, L Hek, besides party workers and supporters. The new joinees to the BJP included former CEM of the GHADC, Dipul Armarak, the MDC of the GHADC, SK Sangma, Senior Advocate of the Meghalaya High Court, VG KYNTA, former MLA Albert Marak, retired Additional Secretary MPDCL Debojit Warjri, retired Assistant Director Sports Nehu Pradeep Bla, and former Public Prosecutor and Advocate Richesli J. Nongbet.
In the 75 years of independence, some of us had started to believe that no government can be run without corruption and scam, and like in Hindi they say ghotala. But Modi ji has proven that there can be politics of performance, politics of development, politics of integrity and accountability. India today is emerging as a global power, not just economically, but also politically. As you know, Prime Minister Modi and India has taken presidentship of the G20 recently. G20 represents 80% of the world GDP and 2/3 of the world population. So in the truest sense, Modi ji has emerged as the leader of the new world. But Modi ji is always focused on Gaon, Garib ka Kalyan. Empowerment of villages, empowerment of our poor brothers and sisters has been Modi ji's #1 priority always. Prime Minister Modi has converted the Look East policy into the Act East policy. He just not talks about Northeast. He is the only Prime Minister in independent India who has visited Northeast for more than 50 times. 50 occasions he has come to Northeast, and each time he has given something new, whether it is an airport, railway connectivity, road connectivity, or many such new things. Prime Minister Modi has done and continues to do and is committed to do more and more for the Northeast area, and the people of Northeast have reciprocated their love and affection for Modi ji. We have formed, BJP has formed government in Assam, in Manipur, in Tripura, in Arunachal, even in Nagaland. We have a coalition government. Even in Sikkim, we have a coalition government. Other than Mizoram and Meghalaya, where we are a small partner, we have a dominant role in government of all other states in Northeast area.